What's going on, gang? We are fixing fish. Fish, mashed potatoes, macaroni, tilapia. Thinks he wants some. Let's start out with a little butter.
Tell them what you're doing. You're just seasoning them right now. You're not baking them. You're just going to fry them, but
Yeah,
seasoning.
I'm frying them. I just put them in here so that I could season them up. Lemon pepper. Red garlic. We may start doing more cooking videos. I don't know.
We cook a lot on home time. Every night we have a home cooked meal because we don't ever get to have a home cooked meal out on the road. Because we used to, but we don't. So it's whatever's easier. Probably easier.
Lemon pepper.
Dragging the refrigerator. I can't believe that's in Cleveland, Tennessee.
Red garlic. Alright, not exactly sure where the battery died. We seasoned the tilapia. I think you're recording. This is one part of YouTube, YouTube that I've got to get used to is learning different camera angles. So I don't know them all yet. Not good with them. Let's throw some butter in there as well. You know what I'm gonna do is throw us a little more butter. Alright, we got the mashed potatoes done already. First thing, of course. Let's taste it and see. It needs a lot more salt.
I'm going to taste these mashed potatoes.
Just a simple little cook. Nothing fancy. I was just making sure you don't have to add milk to it. We got plenty of nothing in there. But I do have my mustard nitro.
No.
Haber, stop.
All right.
It is done.
No, I love it.
I mean, that's just extra pieces.
Okay.
Everybody get, you know, one piece.
Yeah. Woo! Take it off and let's eat then.
It's ready. It's ready.
I want some more butter.
I don't know if I want any fish or not.
Alright. Stop it.
It smells fishy.
Give me a piece back.
Yeah, it does.
We've never had tilapia, so
Well, you've never had tilapia. Here we go. Got the fish, mashed potatoes, field peas. A little bit of salt, but it's pretty good. A little bit salty the peas are. See how the fish come out.
what does it taste like? I'm scared to eat it. I'm worried about fish.
It's good. Wow, that is real good. See, there I go with my eyes shifting over here. The fish is real good. I got it a little peppery, I think, a little bit, but it is good. And that's without tartar sauce on it. There's no tartar sauce. Mashed potatoes. Let's see.
Yeah, it's good.
Tasha says it's good.
But I do this to mine.
Yeah, she loaded hers full.
Of seasonings and hot sauce.
But I don't know. Good meal.